Xfi Complete is Comcast's premium internet plan offering unlimited data, advanced home security, and smart home integration. Launched in 2020, it's designed for users needing high-speed internet without data caps and with enhanced security features. As of late 2025, Xfi Complete includes AI-enhanced features for network optimization and supports gigabit speed tiers. Verifying your plan ensures you're benefiting from unlimited data and security features. This prevents unexpected overage charges and confirms access to parental controls and virus protection. With increasing cyber threats, confirming your security suite is active is crucial. Also, you'll want to verify what services you are paying for to make sure they are the correct ones. First, download the free Xfi app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in using your Xfinity credentials. Navigate to Account, then Plan Details. If Xfi Complete is listed with unlimited data and security features, you have the plan. This is the quickest method for most users. To check via the Xfinity website, first visit xfinity.com and sign in to your account. Then navigate to My Account. Then select Internet. And finally, View Plan. This page will display your current plan details. Look for Xfi Complete and confirmation of unlimited data. This method is suitable if you prefer using a computer. Review your monthly Xfinity bill. Look under the Internet Service section for Xfi Complete, which shows as a clear line item indicating unlimited data. If you're unsure, compare your current bill to previous months, or contact Xfinity support at 1-800-XFINITY for clarification. If you've confirmed you don't have Xfi Complete and want to upgrade, you can do so through the Xfi app or Xfinity website. Alternatively, call Xfinity support at 1-800-XFINITY to discuss upgrade options. Ensure you have a compatible Xfinity modem/router for optimal performance. If you encounter problems verifying your Xfi Complete plan, start by ensuring you're using the correct Xfinity credentials. Double-check your username and password for accuracy. For issues with the Xfi app, update to the latest version, which is 5.0 or higher as of 2025. This includes recent security patches that fix authentication problems. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Xfinity support at 1-800-XFINITY for help with your account and plan verification details. Xfi Complete offers peace of mind with unlimited data, ensuring no throttling or overage fees for consistent, reliable speeds. Advanced security features powered by Norton 360 include virus protection, parental controls, and identity theft monitoring to keep your network safe. Smart home integration works seamlessly with devices like Amazon Alexa, Google Nest, and Ring cameras for unified control. Regularly checking your plan ensures you're maximizing these benefits and avoiding unexpected costs from overages or outdated plans. The Xfi app provides convenient tools for managing your account, monitoring network usage, pausing devices, and handling billing all in one place.